This way you watch reform. My name is Seal Akem Takabo, and this na Sierra Network Salon, and we live na the Ascension Town end of the National Stadium fence as get an understanding we as you see the red the demarcation way they don't put this fence just for them, and the information we will get say somebody lost in life, but presently as we don't come to see the stadium management, they try for put a temporal fence where they put a pan fence where then they try for protect the area first. But all the outside you see so presently people in who don't talk to we not agree for come before the camera tell you say water we flop now. As you see the rain don't cut first, the rain don't cease, but you see still you see the water still we there, and there this na the remains of the fence this way left. As you see the sea front to screen. All Lensire community people away, they not agree for come and talk, but they tell we they say all year me flood. The other man myself who talk to, they say me just pass before ever the incident happen, and as a young man themselves we me there around and then me all we me able cross. But as you see presently, now the fence this way for them where somebody lost in life due to the information we will get. But by the time we reach, we'll not able to meet up that same day. But now so happened presently. Even this very grown fence safe as well. Now I call for the authorities we concerned come and they check them, because as you see they see get cracks them. You see the cracks them around, and the ground safe no day in that kind order again. And this place now a place where now water area. Okay, well, we don't get somebody we say one thing we talk to 1, 2 eyewitness, we witness. Yeah, would they go there? Just they tell viewers they would watch we. This young man with the white vest say one day we talk to 1 or 2 eyewitness, then we will come back and show now how the place really tally. Hello, how are you? You related with Nancy? No, but I'm not. I don't have time, sir. Thank God. Okay. Okay, sir.
This Chinese bad work of this accident. This the first engineering of the Chinese people, the military and soldiers. Was Chinese took they divert all the hot water like the stadium for Huna Sea.
Okay.
No problem, no problem. So whenever they come, I can continue when they dig down. There's a for dig down on a drainage for Ghana boss now, we tell you now this Sierra Leone you don't get a quarter.
Okay, sir.
We write the community, we write them, we inform them of what will suffer. When they come, this really really can't turn. I will not be in there. If they nobody knows you pass by to choose. The advanced pass is easy to yourself. This one now don't come today. The force of this drainage when you are that no food. Then the water now broke this
Fence.
And the water, as they see this high fence, the water will flow up the corona seas. If you see this Miranda, what you show, the water is almost clean.
So the water almost come inside you.
Inside you, whatever, and if you enter to some of the compound, you see the water, it is like a high pavement. Then when you are old, we write there, we inform them about what will be suffer that this drainage would have gone put by the Sierra it's supposed to be in there. They don't put it into problem. And this drainage, any kind of fence would have put there, as long as it drainage still maintained, it will block the base back, cause damage. That it is going to advise them, know they need time, but they ignore the advice. And with the time, over time, we will get you back. The copy of the letter will write them.
Okay, sir.
For this.
Okay, Daddy. Well, viewers, you already watch we both home and abroad. As you don't hear everything the past say. The past say them don't give advice to the Chinese them when they work. Say the first one they may listen the real advice, but then otherwise not listen and the place not get any drainage we make as rain comes small, all the young place the flood, the same gutter no day for make sure say the water they pass freely. That's now an eyewitness will witness the incident to say this person been lost in life as the fence they collapse. Well, we still there. We still go work as small and you will see. As you see the part they talk. As rain comes small, the place no drainage no day. The water the flood. And if you know where, just look like how that young man he said the strain for make your way through. And this now a call where authorities the way concerned for look inside. For they try for see how they will amend this for another incident no go happen na so again. And according to the PA, they say this high fence where you see when the rains they come, say the water they nearly reach them. Well, we go find out that time, we will go come back and see really how it sound like when the rains they come. But if you just they join with the within at the National Stadium fence, and this is the Ascension Town route. Who says somebody lost in life as this fence collapsed, and somebody there, somebody me there around, who say they can get an fortunate loss in life. But the authorities, the stadium management, they try to make sure say they give temporary fence force. And as we listen to it too, that they tell me, they say that the place not get village, any safe they see. So any kind way rain come, even if the rain not too that much, it must flood because the gutter them, this other end. Look the type of gutter we there. And this other end not get gutter at all. And this na the Bengronian fence this. The Bengronian fence na in this. And this self people need for the watch. This fence is safe, not too safe at all, because if you see, now point the camera, then you see how this being one fence safe turn like presently. So city council, now reward that too. Now we not see them. Other thing can happen again. And this na a road where plenty people they use. The bikes that they use them, people that they go up and down. So God forbid, now we try for do the needful for make sure say we know the lost Sierra Leoneans then. And then kind way they are we all not go feel fine at all. This na Sierra Networks alone and me na Sila Kem Takabo.